Hi guys, this is the part 2 of reaching floor 20 by myself. Let's go! Boom! Ah! Oh, I need research! Come here! Hi, thank you. Now go away, please. Thank you. Ooh, R&D. Do you see this? Just don't run in here. If I run, he will wake up like this. Yeah. And they cannot damage me, but they can over here. Look at that. He found Coco. I'm scared. Hiya! Air horn. Sorry, but I'm making a video though. Sorry. Ignore that. That's just my friends. I'm sorry. Ignoring that. Trick or treat or something. Oh yeah, it's the end of Halloween. Why did I equip Gordy? It's the end of Halloween. It's the end. It's last year. I'm stuck in 2025. Just joking. I don't know what to talk about. Drama, just joking. And done. Coco research. Yes, let's go. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. What is your favorite tune? My favorite tune is Shelly. Or Squirm. I don't know yet, but I pick Shelly. Wake up! Close the door! Oh, door, elevator. I died. I got an egg. It's pretty useless. I have no teammates. Extraction candy. This is so fun. But I force myself to make Dandy's World content. Please watch it. No. Cause now. There. A medkit! Now. Yay! In that top. Mid machine. Middle. I hate you. Done. Speedrun. Look at that. I'm on the last machine. That is really fast. And I almost take a heart. Don't want to be a twisted. I don't want to be dead. It's me. Oh no! Time I don't know. That's the next video. Don't want to be dead on floor 13. Oh! Thanks for stopwatch. More bigger. No bossy. Wait, that's... I got jump scared. What? Don't want to... I said it. Floor 13 is a curse. Floor 13 is a curse. Run. Oh my gosh. Stop following me. You creep. Bro. Stamina. I need stamina. I don't want to use my box of chocolate. The butterfly is catching up. Ah. Speed candy. You. I'm scared. Egg alert. Damn, they are so fast. Doing this machine. It's so big. I'm scared. Egg and muff. Egg and muff. Don't want to die. Please. Want to reach floor 12. What? Give Fluttery but a iPad or something. That attention span, it's too long. I don't like pebbles. This is pebbles. Please do not give me. I want a medkit. ASAP. Or slash right now. In short. Trick or treat. I don't want to die. Floor 13 is a curse. Wow. That's... Oh no. Yata. I didn't even see you, Yata. I'm screwed. I'm dead if they see me over here. I'm a dead man. I'm a dead toddler or something. No. Don't want to be cooked pie. Last machine! Thank you, last machine. Finally found you. Oh no! Oh my! How did he? No! This is the end! No! No! No, I'm a failure! No! I am a failure. At least I can claim I'm a failure. At least I can claim Shelly. Wow. Should I buy Shelly or Astro? Astro. Not Astro. Why did I say that? I want Bossy though. I almost got you. So, bye guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Oh, come on. Bye.